All right, guys, this is the third episode of how to do buy and sell in Ghana. Buying Ghanaian used cars, sell it and make money. Make money, guys. Make money, serious money from buying and selling of Ghanaian used cars. And I have done part one of this video, part two of this video, and this is the third episode. As I promise you guys, I cannot fail you to bring the part 3 of this episode. Which car is the next to buy and sell to gain more money in the Ghanaian automotive market? This is what Eric Center trying to teach people out there to also make use of their money, because putting money somewhere or elsewhere without getting any profitable earning income from it is nothing. So you have to make use of your money and generate a lot of passive income. This is what this channel is doing, not only talking about automotive, but we also talking about business, how to make money to pursue your financial goals. So the third car was Toyota Corolla 204, 205, 206. The second car was Toyota Corolla 202, 2000, and then the first car was that was Daewoo Matis. The first car was Daewoo Matis. So as a beginner, these are the cars you need to start, buy and sell. Then you are upgrading yourself as time goes on. The first car you need to buy and sell in this car business is Daewoo Matis 3. The second car is Toyota Corolla 110, 2000 and 2002. And then the third car is Toyota Corolla 204, 205, 206. The fourth car you need to purchase as your business is growing and you have a mature mindset is Hyundai Elantra 2012-2013, which is a fast selling car, and it also comes with a lot of different brands. We have Canadian type, American type, and then Korea type. This Elantra I have figured out, and due to our data records, a lot of guys are buying it due to its smartness and reliable. It's very reliable, I tell you. One of the best reliable cars in the automotive industry is Hyundai Elantra. Due to some of things, people don't need to make a good research and find it, but it's a very reliable car, and with our data record we can say it's good and value for money. So that will be your fourth car you need to purchase as a beginner. Buying cars and sell it is one of the best way to make money, one of the quickest business in the Ghanaian automotive market now. So this is what we have to do. If you haven't yet watched my videos for this episode, go to my channel, watch the part 1, part 2, and this is the part 3. Don't also forget to share this video, like and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed to Eric Auto Center, we have already reached 6K subscribers, and I thank everyone who is willing to contribute to this channel for its growth. I really appreciate your support, those who share the videos every week and make positive comments. I say God bless you all. This is how we build a community, and this is how we build a platform. Distance is not a barrier. Wherever you are, make sure you commit to this channel, and I also give out everything I have, my knowledge and everything. I'll give it out for free. So this is what we do. If you were new here, welcome to Eric Auto Center. I'm a Ghanaian automotive content creator and mechanical assemblers as well. We are professional technician, auto technician, which we do everything about car and not only about YouTube or content. Aside YouTube, we work as mechanics, as car maintenance, repairs and everything. So if you have a car and you don't have anywhere to do it, you want a good service and maintain your car as long as manufactured it, Eric Auto Center is the right place for you to bring your car so that we can give you quality customer service as well. Please, these are some of the cars you have to start with as a beginner doing buy and sell of Ghanaian cars. So from there you can upgrade to foreign used cars, which you could import them by yourself. This is how we do business. We start from stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, then you upgrade yourself as time goes on. If you start this within a space, you can able to make it a lot. You can make a lot of money from this car business. This is what we are teaching people out there, and they are also making good account of their set. They are benefit from it. So your financial goals that is very difficult for you can't able to reach it. If you have a lot of money there, if you have, you say, I made mention this in all the videos, that you have to work with those who know the road. If you fail to do so, it will be very difficult for you to come out, because people might teach you or guide you to the wrong path, and that will not lead you to your success story. So you have to move with those who know the road, who know the right path, taking you to different dimensions, insightful things, giving you the best informative about how to make money, do business in this aspect of life. And Eric Auto Center is here to help you reach your financial goals. This is what we do here. Please, you have to take notes. Every episode is very important, so you don't need to skip watching any kind of video of mine. Just watch the video to learn, so that you can able to understand it well, and use it and put into practice. Everything you are watching or listening, you have to put into practice if only you are willing to do so. If you are not willing to do so, and you don't have an idea, don't try it and lose your money. But if you want me to coach you, to mentor you, I am here to assist you, give you every detailing of how to start selling, buying and selling in the Ghanaian market, so that you can also pursue or reach your financial goals. Eric Auto Center is worldwide, and we want to bring you all the update. If something you want us to create a content on it, if something you didn't understand in this video, please don't hesitate to put in the comment section. This is what we also do. We can reach out to you and help you which area we need to assist you. We take our audience feedback seriously. We always alarming giving you annually motor vehicle experience, and this is what we do in the auto industry. We are here to grow this channel within a space, and we are almost hitting 1 million views, but we have already hitting 6K subscribers. With a few subscribers, we are heading towards to hit 1 million views, which is great achievement. And we did this. I and my audience did this. Without you, this channel was nothing. And I really appreciate your support, your time, your airtime, your data, everything you sacrifice for this channel. God bless you. Until I meet you in the next episode, stay updated, be better and not bitter. Bye bye.